Kyocera Cutting Tools new products. Introducing grade PR1535 for difficult to cut materials. With an expanded tooling lineup, PR1535 continues to show great success in milling heat-resistant alloy, titanium alloy, and stainless steel. PR1535's tough substrate prevents fracturing. Kyocera's specialized MEGACOAT NANO coating technology provides greater wear resistance and stable machining of difficult-to-cut materials. PR1535 outperforms competitors with greater fracture resistance. Numerous case studies have shown the exceptionally long tool life of grade PR1535. After high success rates in milling difficult-to-cut materials, Kyocera is now implementing grade PR1535 for negative turning inserts. Sudden cracking is suppressed during scale removal and interrupted turning of difficult-to-cut materials. PR1535 has also been added to KGD and KTKF cutoff styles for greater fracture resistance. KTKF is also available for back turning and threading. Utilize Kyocera's powerful grade PR1535, now available across a wide range of machining applications. Explore the productivity benefits of some of Kyocera's other fantastic tooling solutions. Kyocera's CBN insert grade KBN475 for high-speed gray cast iron machining. Clamp inserts firmly in one action with the new double clamp boring bar. 6 PFK and 8 PFK high-efficiency multi-edge end mills. 6 and 8 flutes each allow for high-feed shouldering. Easy adjustment easy bar with new internal profiling and long tight bars. For internal profiling, VBMT and VCMT inserts with positive PP chip breakers. Counterboring diameters up to 20 millimeters have been added to the 2 ZDK short type counterbores. New VNGG type SK chip breaker for finishing to semi-finishing machining. Expanded lineup of CA5 series CVD coated carbide grade for steel, realizing long tool life and stable machining. Kyocera continually strives to advance your productivity with innovative and high-quality cutting tool solutions.